Well, hey guys, you got a vibration problem and you got at least a 6-inch or bigger lift. I can help you solve that. So this Jeep has a vibration when it's going down the freeway, and it just, and I didn't realize what it was until I did some research and then talked to a few guys, and there's a kit out there to change the location of where your driveline mounts on the transfer case. Now that kit allows you to put a longer driveline on and not have such a steep angle. Let me show you. If you can look up in here, you kind of see this driveline. There's a slip yoke in here, and it's about 5 inches long, a little overkill, but look at this angle of this driveline. That is ridiculous. But right now I got the load lifted off the vehicle. It's up in the air. And what it's doing, as you can see right here, it is rubbing against this yoke. And I took a tool and ground this all out to allow this for a temporary fix. But this temporary fix has been long enough. And also what I had to do for a temporary fix is I had to put all these spacers in. Drop this transfer case skid plate, and I hate the look of this. This looks like garbage, just garbage. And so what you end up doing is changing this output cover. We got to take the transfer case apart and replace this output shaft, and then you're going to put like a yoke in here that the driveline is going to mount to. So what it's going to change is now this is going to be a little bit shorter. It's going to mount right here where your yoke is. So just think of this being moved up here, and that's going to give a nice straight angle. And also what I'm going to be able to achieve with this, unless you got a bigger lift, I'm going to mount this transfer case back against the frame, and just so it looks a little better. But super cool. We'll see how it goes, but we got some work to do. So let me get this plate dropped down, the skid plate, and we'll get this transfer case pulled out of here. Shouldn't take too long. Alright, so if you perhaps had fluid in here, this might be a good time to replace that seal. I replaced this a while back when I put the transfer case in, but just kind of letting you guys know it's a good time to do that. Alright, let's go take it apart. Alright, so I got the transfer case out. It's just sitting here on the bench. Here is the original driveline. Here's the new driveline I ordered. And here's the whole kit. Kind of came with new bearings and everything installed. So new yoke, new shaft, and all these wonderful parts. So I'm going to start tearing this apart. I'm going to start by pulling out the speedometer sender, and then we'll kind of pull this off and then undo the bolts here, but I'm going to drain the fluid first. Then there's the snap ring. Got a snap ring right here. Got my fancy snap ring pliers.
I dream about things way beyond this atmosphere.
There's the shaft. A little bit different. Move this one up.
But have you ever thought, what if this is all just a dream? A dream about things way beyond this atmosphere. You stop trying so hard. And you surrender the knowing that you don't know anything. If the empty space will make me go
Alright guys, well I got all that torqued, put back together. Had to torque that to 150 along with this one. And then these were all 25 all the way around. So, and that was kind of a pain to get in. I had to kind of heat up the gasket, the O-ring a little bit to get it to, it was just kind of hard to get slide in, but we are done. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the Jeep. Guys, hit subscribe, check out more of my videos, and thanks for watching.